Hello, I just wanted to make a little video on the overview of my last week of trading as I did all right for myself. Not too bad for still feeding everything and getting everything done on the farm and still being able to get some trades in. But we started the week on Sunday opening down over 300 points, right around 330. But that was all from Trump tariff news right here. But the moment we bottomed out, what was this? This 9 o'clock that night. We never could make a new low off that spike. So that was gave me my bullish tendency for the rest of the week. Because normally when something like this, we normally recover it within a day or two. Like this one was Sunday also, but it made a new low continuously. Here, we could never break this. So I was okay with logging this all week. Granted, these big drops were scary and hard to hold it in queue through, but you can still make something out of it on the smaller time frames. Ignore this stuff as of right now. I'll come in later with it. This, but my main day came to me on Friday. Let's open. Yes, here. All right. As you see right here, with this giant candle of 730, you'll get this is what we had. This is Friday, right? Wait, that's that's what we had. Non-farm payrolls. That is what caused that big spike. Oh, that's what caused that big spike. Instantly kick back down. You see this giant wick right here. That indicates strong bear side. And so my game plan into the open, which let me give this teal line is midnight, 1 hour before London, that candle open. And the yellow line is wherever price is at 8:30, you see on the bottom right here. So that's 8:30 open right here. By the way, these are all Central Standard Times, so add an hour for it to be New York. So this would be 9:30 New York. Same thing with this. This is on Central Standard Time. But so my idea into open was picked up. We can never fully break away from here. As you see, strong move up. If you're gonna have a strong move, it's gonna be followed by another solid candle, given good buyers in the market, like here. But that was not followed after this first 3 minutes. We are on a 3 minute time frame, by the way. Fat wicks, fat wicks, fat wicks. So going into this, we're making some downside. Do this. This is where I got my trade from. This is just a CBD indicator for buyers and sellers in the market. Where I need it to be. Not shown. Oh well. It'll still get the point across. Because we're making new highs here. We are making new lows in the buyers. There were not as many buyers trying to buy this up as there were sellers wanting to sell it. As you can see, we made this candle right here with a bar dang near 20,000 on buyers. And then we made it, try to make a new high with almost half of those buyers. So looking into this, I was looking for a very simple short side. I shorted probably, I think, right in, I think 55, and just set my stop just a take above, because NQ it wants to come up wick a little bit above and then go back. So did that, risking about 15 points. It's normally what I try and risk, and my target was back to this 830 level. And below this, I moved my stops to break even, which gave me a 170 point trade, and that's my best trade of the week off of just simple, but I make new highs with half the buying pressure. So I took that. And then the rest of the week, I kind of took these big candles as a chance to get some new accounts almost passed. But that was my trade overview of Friday. Wasn't too bad. Probably going to take this next week off. Let's see what happens. See you later here. This is an example of the indicator. I don't use this strictly to enter, but it is a good confluence for what I'm thinking. We're making new highs off of less buying pressure. Making new highs, less buying pressure. That's just the overview. I can make a video explaining it in more detail, but that is it of right now. Thank you. Leave a comment if you won last week in trading. This is February 7th that I traded. See how we do this next week. We'll be taking minimum trades.